So let's go to our very own Mike Seidel. He's standing by live in Miami Beach. Now, Mike, are officials calling for any evacuations or closings at this hour?
Not at this point here in Miami-Dade or Broward counties, Vivian and Jeff, but they are getting things off the beach, and we've got Tony Cruz here who's in charge of getting just about everything off the beach. And what's going on right now? We're seeing trucks after trucks coming out here.
Well, absolutely. We're getting prepared for Hurricane Francis. We're trying to get all the equipment off the beach as soon as possible. We're trying to advance, get everything up to the areas that are designated for the company, and make sure that the beach is absolutely clear when this hurricane hits.
And you're going to be doing this throughout this evening and until you get everything out of here?
Absolutely. We'll be doing this this evening and tomorrow on to Friday, get the whole beach clear off.
Okay, so Tony, good luck out there. I've seen the rental trucks out there. There's a lot out there, and there are some evacuations, not here in the South Florida coast here, but up the coast. Palm Beach County right now under a mandatory evacuation Thursday for all those coastal residents. If you're out on those beaches, near the beaches, the mobile homes, of course, get out of the way of the possible direct impact from Francis. Camp Canaveral and the Kennedy Space Center is closing tomorrow and Friday, so the people that work there can take care of their personal property. And Volusia County Schools, that's up around Daytona Beach, they've also shut down for the next couple of days. As far as mandatory, voluntary evacuations, Martin County, low-lying areas tomorrow. Also for those of you in Brevard County, late Thursday afternoon, 4 p.m., they want everybody out of the mobile homes and the barrier islands. And for those of you special needs folks in St. Lucie County, they'd like to get you into a safe place like the Community Center or the Civic Center beginning on Thursday. So Vivian and Jeff, they're getting the beach emptied out here just in case. Again, preparation is what you need to do, because if this hurricane does not slow down, it could be here in less than 48 hours.
That's right, Jeff. Mike, and it's always best to be safe than sorry.